Hello, and welcome to this video about Transact Basics. Transact is the system used by DukeCard to control how access plans are made and how doors behave. Transact is run off an OIT server. You will need to use a remote desktop app to gain access to it. We recommend that you use Microsoft Remote Desktop. When you request a Transact account, DukeCard will send you a pre-configured RDP file which you will save to your desktop. You will also receive an email with login instructions. You will need to use multi-factor authentication to access Transact. You may already have this set up on your computer. For information on how to set up multi-factor authentication, go to the OIT website and search for MFA. You can also contact the OIT service desk or your local IT support professional for assistance. If you are off campus, you will need to use VPN to connect to the Duke network before you can log into Transact. When you open the RDP file, the remote desktop app will open and you will log in with your NetID and password. You will then be prompted for your multi-factor authentication credentials. Finally, you will see a small screen for logging into Transact with your account credentials. You will be prompted to change your password the first time you log in. When you log into Transact, you will see the Transact System home screen. Rest assured that while you may see a lot of options on the screen, you do not need to know how everything works. Here are some things we want to make sure you know starting out about Transact and this interface. You will need to log into Transact every 30 days or else your access will be locked. We recommend setting a calendar reminder to log into Transact if you don't plan on using the tool on a regular basis. Also note that your Transact password will expire every 90 days. You will be prompted to change it when you log into Transact. Merchants are Transact's way of designating organizational units for access management. You'll also see this term used in Simple Group Manager. Depending on how many and what types of buildings you are responsible for, you may be a member of more than one merchant. You'll see the selected merchant displayed under your Duke NetID in the top right corner of the screen. If you need to change merchants, click on the current merchant to bring up the list of merchants available to you. Click Select to pick the merchant you wish to use. Once you have the correct merchant selected, under Security Access Plan, click on Query For and enter your merchant name in the search field, then click Run Query or press Enter to see a list of access plans associated with your merchant. You may have one or many access plans depending on your needs. Choose an access plan and click Edit. On the next screen, you will see the door names, permission schedule, building name, and merchant name used to define this plan. You can have one door or many doors in your plan. Next, under Security, Door, click on Query For to see a list of doors associated with your merchant. You will see a list of door names, descriptions, building name, and associated door state schedule for every door associated with your merchant. Exterior door names begin with EXT, and interior door names start with INT. Under Security, Door State Schedule, click Query For to see a list of the door state schedules associated with your merchant. Door state schedules define when a door is controlled, unlocked, or locked. Click Edit by Door State Schedule if you wish to see the details or make changes. When a door is controlled, it requires a card or mobile device for entry. When a door is unlocked, there is no need for a card or mobile device for access. However, a locked door can't be opened by a card or mobile device, only a key. On the Door State Schedule screen, you will see two parts. On the left is the standard preset door schedule. Use the Door State Colors Guide to understand the door state. Blue means controlled, Green means unlocked. You will rarely use yellow for requires a PIN or red for locked. On the right is what Transact calls holiday schedules. It is a best practice to apply a holiday schedule when you need a door to change. Using holiday scheduling lets you limit changes to a specific date. It lets you schedule door changes in advance and prevents a scenario where someone unlocks a door, then doesn't return the door to its previous state the next day. Door state day templates are a convenient way to create in advance templates which can be reused in defining or changing door state schedules. Templates allow you to set up a day schedule in advance that you can use to create holiday schedules. Examples would be controlled 24 hours, unlocked 24 hours, or public access. Under Security Permission Schedule, click on Query For to see a list of permission schedules associated with your merchant. Permission schedules define the time of day and day of the week when cardholder access is allowed. Cardholder access is allowed where the schedule is white. Access is not allowed where the schedule is black. Just like with door state schedules, holiday schedules are used with permission schedules to make changes for a specific date. You can also configure permission day templates as well. When you make a change to a permission schedule or a door state schedule in Transact, that change must be sent out to the individual door readers in order for it to take effect. Door readers are automatically updated at 5 a.m. and 5 p.m. If your schedule changes for a day in the future, you do not have to do anything to update the readers. However, if your schedule changes for the same day, you will need to put in your change in Transact, then request that the DukeCard office push an update to your readers so that your change goes into effect that day. Open a web browser and go to the DukeCard web page, then click the DukeCard help link. On the help page, select the Download Door Schedules option. On the next screen, fill in the required information and hit Submit to finish. Transact is meant for use by access coordinators with frequent door schedule changes instead of occasional users. If you believe you are a candidate for Transact, please send an email to dukecard@duke.edu to request access. Thank you for viewing the Transact Basics video. By now, you should understand the role door state schedules and permission schedules play in access plans, when to use a holiday schedule, who should use Transact, and how to request an account. DukeCard staff are available to manage your door schedules, including university holidays, if you do not want to manage your own doors. Email dukecard@duke.edu to discuss your needs or to schedule time for individual training if you will be managing your own doors. Be sure to watch our companion videos on Access Management Basics and Simple Group Manager Basics. DukeCard staff are happy to answer any questions you have about using Transact to manage your access plans.